Subaru offers a 6-speed manual transmission. This AZ6 manual transmission unit is produced by Scion AI, a model that is already being used by other manufacturers. This 6-speed manual transmission was determined to be the best transmission for the BRZ. Together with the development of the 6-speed automatic transmission, our target was to achieve high levels in both driving pleasure and environmentally friendly performance. Special attention was paid to optimize the setting of the gear ratio and the shift operation, which are two important items. The BRZ optimization was performed using the main components of the transmission mechanism of the RWD sports vehicle of other manufacturers' series as a common base. The main housing part contains the gear set, composed of the input shaft, the counter shaft, and the output shaft, whereby the input shaft and the output shaft are laid out on the same central line. The clutch housing, the rear housing, and other interface parts have been newly designed to match the BRZ layout. The step gears are arranged from the front in the following order: fifth, reverse, fourth, third, second, first, sixth. The main specifications are shown here in detail. The specification for the step gear ratio have been selected from other vehicle manufacturers' series. The synchronization specifications are triple cones from the first to the third gear and single cones from the fourth to the sixth gear and for the reverse gear. The shift lever ratio provides a short stroke with high stiffness. This is an essential characteristic for a sports car. For the final gear ratio, there are two types available according to the grade selection, and the lineup also corresponds to demand for low fuel consumption. Next, let's take a look at the drive power flow for each gear steps. The fifth gear meshing is the one directly engaged with the input and the output shaft. The output shaft rotates at the same speed as the engine. The sixth gear ratio is designed as the overdrive. The shift control mechanism adopted is of the semi-direct type in order to provide a sporty shift feeling. The design has been targeted to give a clear feeling of gear shifting, applying the minimum effort by the driver of the BRZ. The shift forks are fixed to shift rods, so that the forks slide together with the shift rods. The sliding ball bearings are adopted in the rod housing portions to reduce the friction during the shifting operation. During reverse shifting, the pull-up type shift system is adopted, and the mechanism works to release the collar on the shift lever to mesh into reverse gear. Gear oil level adjustment is performed with the same overflow procedure as the 6AT, and the level gauge has been abolished. Differing from the 6AT, the 6-speed manual transmission does not have an overflow plug. The gear oil is filled in from the refill plug. The specified level has been reached when the oil starts to overflow.